guess where we are today? I was like, F it, I need to get those C brackets. So, still nobody touched the car. Headlights are still there. Don't sleep on it, guys. Get it? I think you got lowering springs too. Yep. Got lowering springs. Drilled slot rotors. Don't sleep on it, guys. Drill slot all the way around. I wonder if this is a TRD. It's not. Oh, let me look at that piece. I used my cutters, trimmed it, so I got the bracket. I'll shave down the metal, make it fit in the roof of mine. These speed brackets, and we're set now. So I guarantee it's gonna fit. So if I were you guys, somebody come get these Halo headlights. They got slot rotors on all around, and I think those are coilovers. I mean, I don't think those are name brand, but I mean, if you want to lower your ride, shit, check it out. And then, look, steering wheel's still good, shift knob still here. I mean, it's clean. Just come check it out. I'm gonna do a little walking around, and then if I see something dope, we'll stop. But after that, I'm gonna keep moving because I gotta get home because my wife doesn't know I'm here spending money. Alright, so just mowed the lawn real quick. Weeded, stuff everything down. Good to go. So I got the brackets and got this battery tray off the XB 2nd gen. So I do need to see if it'll fit in this one. I just gotta unplug everything, but for now I'm gonna. These are actually longer, so let me show you guys. How grass in here now, shit. Yeah, this is, gotta be careful, I'm gonna cut up everything, but so you can see, it's actually longer. So I'll be able to trim everything down, and then this will be the mounting point for this, and the one in the back is long too, so we are set. I don't want to scratch my wheel. Sheesh, these are hella sharp. But yeah, I'll just pop these off and put new ones adhesive so it'll stay. And then once I fill these in, I'm gonna fill in all the whole gap all the way through, so it's just holding on with the sealant. And as you see, this is like way longer. So this one's kind of like perfect. So this one will be in the back. Just gotta apply each spot, razor it off, puts a new one on, and then I'll explain everything in another video how I'm gonna do it, because I'm gonna have to do a lot of work once this really starts going down. But yeah. And to the new subscribers, this is my S13 drift car. That's the XB that I'm VIPing, and the drift car. So JDM taillights, BN kit, Origin fenders, front and back, 326 wing, working motions, and then people hate me for it, but I'm sorry, I'm a fan of NRG, so I did the Sakura leaves, I got my e-brake, big ass shift knob. When we're sliding, we get boobies shaking. And then I do drift on an NRG hard wheel. The only thing hard about it is catching the bottom. That's it. Other than that, it's simple. And it's just, I guess, to show off flex. But yeah, so we are on bags. So the battery's dead. And if you guys don't know, this is a RB25 DET. So the intercooler is actually hidden up high. So we gotta do top mount, bigger intercooler. I'm gonna paint the engine bay, and then we're gonna take this valve cover off. I would like to do the RB26 valve cover, but yep. This is paint, not wrap. Has a lot of flakes in it. Being kit, new headlights, and then these are GK Tech. These aren't what's it called, the real ones, but they work. So yeah, and then we got the HKS exhaust. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Yeah.
Hamburger?
You guys want me to go pick up?
Yes, huh?
You want me to pick up your food?
No.
Yeah. All right, so back home, I have an idea how it's supposed to go on. So these three here, this will hold it in. Once I screw it in, it'll flare out and catch. Then I'm trying to figure out this piece. So I think it goes like that. And then this one, of course, will be like this goes here like so, or like that, something like either. Yeah, I think maybe this way. Yeah, because this faces up, and that's where it's the screws. So it would have to be like this. So I'm gonna have to weld nuts onto here so I can screw from the inside, and then we'll figure out where we're going to mount this inside. So it'll be 3 points, 1, 2, and 3. So that's where we're going to be doing with that. This, I need to figure out where I'm going to fit this. I have a feeling that the intake's going to be in the way, so I might have to trim somewhere here so it'll clear. I can run the, what is it, the negative and the positive. So this is something I'm gonna have to play with, but it's cool. They gave me this for free, so hell yeah. Yeah, that's the plan with this. We'll figure that out. I think that's it for the day. I'm gonna go charge my batteries for work, but have an idea what I'm doing, so that'll be the 3 points, and then we'll install it. It's gonna be a lot of work, but we'll get it. Alright, y'all. See you in the next video. Peace.